Take a second and really look at these. She looks like a real influencer, but she's AI. Not exaggerated, not animated, no fake looking avatars. Images and videos of these AI influencers are blending into normal lifestyle content, and most people scrolling don't even realize it's AI. In this video, I'll show you how realistic AI influencers are created, what actually makes them believable, and why this format is blending in so well right now. So first we're starting with ChatGBT because I know you guys have questions about my avatar in the beginning. I turned her into a more realistic avatar, and I'm going to show you how I got her from this to this in just these easy steps. So I used my reference image, and then I put in a prompt, this one here, and then I clicked generate. Then it gave me this output here, which is a very detailed prompt. I did add, I want her to be realistic. You can add the negative prompt part, but I usually don't have to, and it does it great for me. So what you're going to do is copy the whole prompt, not the negative part, only if you want to. So you're going to copy this and you're going to take it over to Google Labs and click on Flow. I've been using Flow and it gives the best generations I've ever seen, and it's free to create the images. So what you're going to do is click New Project. Then it will take you over here. Now make sure that you're on images and not video. We are generating the images first. Then you're going to go down to the settings and you're going to click Landscape, which is 16:9. And then your output is going to be 1. You can put it up to 4, but I usually don't need that many. And then you're going to keep it on Nano Banana. Upload your avatar or character that doesn't look realistic. And then you're going to put in the prompt. I'm going to put in the prompt that I just curated on ChatGBT to make her look more realistic. And once it's done, it gave me this image here, just like the one you've seen in the beginning of my avatar. So she looks way more real. You can see her pores, her hairline. She looks great. Now let's get into creating an AI influencer. I created this image on ChatGPT. I just put in a prompt of what I want her to look like, and it gave me this. This image is going to be your reference image so that you get the same image every time for your AI influencer. Now take the image over to Google Labs Flow and create a project. Once you're in, you're going to make sure that you are on images just like before. We're going to do the same process like we did for my avatar in the beginning. Then you're going to click the settings and make sure that you're in one output, and make sure you're on portrait this time, 916, because we're making images and videos for our influencer. So then you're going to upload this image. This is going to be your reference image every time you create with her. Then you're going to put in a prompt of what you want her to be doing. This is how I got the video in the beginning where she's talking and she's walking on the streets. So I want her here back in a bun, wearing athletic wear, you know, all that good stuff that you've seen in the beginning. And then it takes a minute to generate the image. Once the image is done, this is the image I got. So she looks great. She looks exactly like the girl that I used as a reference. And she's going to look the same every single time if I continue to use the same image. So let's upload our reference image and create another image of our influencer. So this time I'm going to upload a prompt where she's sitting, drinking coffee. There's sunlight. She looks realistic. You can see her pores. She looks extremely detailed. So that's what you really need to focus on when you're creating a prompt for your AI influencer. Keep that in mind. So once I have everything done, I'm going to generate it and I'm going to get this image here. She looks amazing. It looks just like the image that I wanted. And when you're done and you want these images, go to the top of the image and then click the download button and you can download it. Now let's do one more image. I'm going to upload my reference image. I just want you guys to know that this method really works. So this one is about her washing her face. We want her washing her face. We want it to look realistic. You know, I want her to have her nose scrunched or making those faces the way you do when you wash your face. So I thought this one, but I thought it didn't look realistic enough. So then I got this one here. This looks like a real image. This looks like the exact person that I just put in, except she's washing her face. Now, if you made it this far, I'm going to show you how to turn these into videos, realistic videos. with a voice. And if you don't like the voice, I'm going to show you how you can still lip sync it with a different one. Yep, so stay tuned. Next, we're going to go back over to Google Labs. Click the video one this time because now we're using that. Then you're going to put in ingredients to video, keep it on portrait, and your output will be 1. Make sure you're on VO 3.1 fast. Once you're done, you're going to upload your reference image, the one where she's walking on the street. Then you're going to post in a prompt of her walking, and it looks realistic, people walking in the background, you can still see her face, and then you're going to generate it. Don't worry, all my prompts will be inside my community. So once you're done, you're going to get a video that looks and sounds like this.
I mean, when I tell you this book took a turn, I mean it. I was just reading along and suddenly, wow, it got spicy fast. I mean, when I tell you this book took a turn, I mean it. I was just reading along.
She looks and sounds amazing. Now, if you don't like her voice, don't worry, I will be showing you how to make it not sound so stereo. Now, you can download this in upscale or original, but if you want it in 4K, you're going to have to upgrade. Now, upload your second one of her drinking her coffee, and then you're going to put in another prompt of the sunlight hitting her, her hair blowing in the breeze a bit, you know, all that stuff, and you can still see her skin. This one, she will not be talking. Influencers don't talk every single time in their videos. So this one, she'll just be cutesy and laughing and looking pretty. So this is the video.
Wait, I wasn't ready. Wait, I wasn't ready.
That turned out so realistic. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to upscale it. Now let's do one more video. Now let's do the video for her washing her face. This prompt was tricky and I did have to change it a couple times, but I did figure it out. Don't worry, I am going to show you. And then I put in this very simple prompt because this is what was working. So I put this in. Don't forget to change the video generator because you want it to ingredients to video. I had it on images. So before I used this prompt and I used the other one, I got this image. So it would not generate it. So then I used the prompt that I just showed you and I got this video here. That turned out way better than I thought. Don't worry, all my prompts will be in my community. I like how you can hear the soap suds and she smiled. Her face is scrunched like when you're putting a face mask or washing your face. So this turned out great. Now, you don't only have to make videos. You can also make images for your AI influencer like this one. I like how you can really see her legs, the texture. I downloaded it and took it over to Snapchat to make it look the way you've seen in the beginning. And then I got this image. I like how she's standing there. I also got this image of her playing with her friend, you know, just laughing. And then I got this candid image of her sitting on the couch. As you can see, she looks the same in every single one, and it is completely free to create these images. Now, like I said, in the videos when you're creating them on VO3, they use their own voices. They're good, but they sound kind of stereo. Maybe you want to use your own voice, or you already have a voice, or you want to use a different voice and make it sync to the video. Don't worry, I'm going to show you how. Download the app VN Editor. Yes, you can use it for free. Create new project and upload the video with the voice you want to change. Don't forget to take off the VN Editor watermark at the end of the video, so it will just look something like this and sound like this. So she sounds great, but maybe you want to use your own voice or a different voice. So doing this easy step, you'll be able to. What you're going to do is click download. Save it as export audio only. And then you're going to save it as new voice or whatever you want to save it as. Then you're going to take it over to 11 Labs. The best part is that 11 Labs gives you 10,000 credits every month for free. So go over to 11 Labs and click the little link up at the top. Click Voice Changer. Then it will bring you here. Next, you're going to upload the audio that you just downloaded from VN Editor of your avatar. Then you're going to go to the bottom and you're going to select a voice. There are many voices to choose from, even on the free account. They're all really good. I'm going to click on Alice because I'm just going to show you how to do it and how it does change completely. And then you're going to click Generate and then you'll get a voice that sounds like this.
Tell you this book took a turn, I mean it. I was just reading along and suddenly, wow, it got spicy fast.
That sounded way better than the VO3 voice. And yes, I'm going to show you how to add it to your video. Download the audio track and save it to your phone. Now, go back over to VN Editor with your video and click on it. What you're going to do is turn down the volume. Then you're going to go to the top where the little music note is, and then you click music. Once you click music, you click on My Music. Then you click the 3 little dots right there, and then you click File App. Upload the audio track from 11 Labs that's saved to your phone, this one here. Click it and click on Use. Now it will sound like this.
I tell you this book took a turn, I mean it. I was just reading along and suddenly, wow, it got spicy fast.
It looks better, she sounds better, and it's that easy to do. Once you like the video, you're just going to click the download button again. And this time you can download the actual video or the audio. That's the best part about VN, that you can download an audio track. I hope this video has helped you. If you're serious about creating with AI, from cinematic characters and realistic avatars to full videos, angles, movements, and monetization, this channel is for you. So make sure you're subscribed. And if you want deeper breakdowns, prompts, feedback, and behind-the-scenes help, join my community. That's where I teach everything I don't have time to cover here. Thanks for watching.